Hi guys, welcome to SearchPie app. In this video, we will go over the backlink building feature. Let's go to URL control, choose the backlink building feature. A backlink is a link that one website gets from another. In addition to driving brand awareness and referral traffic, backlinks can benefit your SEO performance. Here, after confirming with our terms and conditions and choosing the right categories, you can go to the Analytics tab. This includes the data of the backlink performance so far of your store. When you're ready to build backlink, let's go to Prospect tab. You need to use Filter to collect all Shopify stores having the same categories with you first. After finding out the store best fit with yours, let's click Create Article here to start writing. Please keep in mind that the article must include the links lead to your website or your page. After publishing, you need to wait store owner to accept your backlinks. And let's check the history below to see if your article is live or not. Besides, you can also check if there's any store want to build backlink with yours, by going to Request tab here. You need to check the store authority and the draft quality before deciding to accept or reject it. That's all for now, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Please let us know if you have any other questions. Thank you.